The nurse ran through the door and she was like, "Did he just move?" And she was like, "We have not seen him move since he's been here." Those little things can make the biggest impact. Green eyes, blue eyes, blonde hair, brown hair, tall, short, extroverted, introverted, serious, silly. I'm Elle Peterson.
I'm Eva Peterson, and we're twins.
I'd say the best thing about having a twin is it's like a built-in best friend. You're at your happiest, you're at your saddest, there's always someone to be there to celebrate those moments with you.
We like to ride horses. We both do Muay Thai and listen to music. And I think we both like to do acts of service.
That's kind of how we were raised, is just try to be the kindest version of yourself and help those around you. When we were little, we did this thing called Sub for Santa. Every Christmas, it was the one tradition that we always looked forward to. We would wrap presents for little kids at a school up in Salt Lake, and then we'd give them to them. And through that, we would always ask what more can we do? This Christmas, we decided to give back to the hospital because we wanted to do something more. And so a family friend mentioned to my mom, she's like, "You guys should do Minky blankets." And that's a great idea because our family, we have so many and we love them. It's like touching a cloud, or even better, it's the softest thing I've ever felt in my life.
When we went up to the hospital, we unloaded all the blankets and we went and laid them all out on this table, and there was a piano next to it. So Elle and our older brother Jake, they played guitar and sang. And just our family, while they walked by, we handed blankets to each of the kids. I think we had about 30 blankets. I love how each time handing a kid a blanket, it just felt so special, knowing that they were scared, but giving them a blanket to comfort them made me feel comforted.
While we were in the children's hospital, we were able to go room to room delivering the Minky blankets. We had one blanket left over, and so we walked into this room, and the nurse had previously told us that the little boy had been non-responsive. The mom walked up to us, and we gave it to her, and she laid the blanket down on the boy's bed, and the little boy kind of turned over and looked at the mom. She started unwrapping the blanket, and as soon as he put his hands around the blanket and he started smiling and he hugged the blanket, and the mom instantly started crying. The nurse ran through the door and she was like, "Did he just move?" And we were like, "Yeah." And she was like, "We have not seen him move since he's been here." It was so special, and we are so grateful that we are able to do that.
I also think something that the Minky gives them is something to look forward to, and I think it gives and gave them a lot of joy.
Kindness is cool, and being a kind person impacts everyone around you. It can be as simple as a smile, a hug, a wave, or a simple text. Like my grandpa always said, life responds to effort. And when you put in the effort to be kind, you leave a legacy and you impact those around you.